Front camera repair cable. This 14 series mobile phone has replaced the front camera. You can see that the image is blurry and unable to focus properly. The rear camera freezes directly when switching to movie effects. The 15 series mobile phones have also replaced the front camera. Front camera image blurry. Doesn't autofocus. Photos saved using front-back cameras will turn into a white background. The recording video timeline will also turn white. Unbind before starting the repair. If you have the original cable, can be scanned through QR code software. Scan the QR code on the iron plate, upload and unbind. Without the original front camera, use Sharlu PC Reset to unbind accessories. 15 plus real machine demonstration. Use a functioning front camera assembly. Replace Lubin front camera cable. Polish along the two solder joints. Polished finish. Use an air gun to heat the front camera cable. After heating, lift up the cable. Take out the front camera clamp and secure the cable. Use a knife to heat and remove the iron piece. Take off the front camera and break apart the iron piece. Apply slight heat to the front camera and remove it. Put on dustproof sticker. Put the separate front camera on the clamp. Use an air gun to heat the cable and remove it. Remove residual glue. Apply flux and tin the corners on both sides. Put the Lubin front camera cable on. Apply flux on both sides. First, apply tin to the correct position to fix the cable. Tin plating officially started. Clean it when finished. Fold the cable in half after soldering to facilitate subsequent installation. Take out the Lubin L3 mini host and connect it to the computer. Install the front camera repair expansion board. Attach the welded separate front camera. Detection is normal and can be written. Connect your phone to your computer. Enter Lubin 2 PC. Front camera encoding item. It shows that it has been untied. Select the corresponding function item. Start binding. Binding successful. The test has the underlying write success. Remove the separate front camera and start installation. Connect your phone to computer to flash. After replacing the front camera, you need to reset your phone to turn it on. After the connection is successful, flash the machine directly in batches. Skip reset wait time. Start testing. Saved photos will return to normal. The background will not turn white. Viewing the video timeline also appears normal. Face ID functionality is not affected. Perfect restoration. If after replacing Lubin front camera cable, after power on test, the problem is still the same, make sure the cable is welded and there is no problem. Please connect to the network to calibrate the time to fix it.